How do you start your day? Perhaps you enjoy a cup of coffee, a bowl of cereal, or maybe even a piece of toast. But have you ever considered beginning your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie? Today we're going to explore 5 scrumptious and healthy smoothie recipes that promise to boost your day, your mood, and your overall health. First up, we have the invigorating Green Goddess smoothie. This smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. To create this, blend together a handful of spinach, half a ripe banana, a quarter of an avocado, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This smoothie will provide you with a burst of energy to start your day, thanks to the potassium from the banana and the healthy fats from the avocado. Next, we're diving into the antioxidant-rich Berry Bliss smoothie. For this, you'll need half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and a tablespoon of honey. Blend these ingredients together until smooth. The berries in this smoothie are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body against inflammation and disease. Our third recipe is the creamy peanut butter banana smoothie. Mix together 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 cup of almond milk, and a dash of cinnamon. This smoothie is not only delicious but also high in protein and fiber, making it a great choice for those looking to stay full throughout the morning. The fourth smoothie on our list is the Tropical Paradise smoothie. Combine 1 cup of frozen mango, half a cup of pineapple chunks, 1 cup of coconut water, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. This tropical treat is packed with vitamin C and hydration properties to keep you refreshed and energized. Last but not least, we have the chocolate almond smoothie, a healthy twist on a classic favorite. Blend together 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a pinch of sea salt. This smoothie is rich in magnesium and healthy fats, providing a guilt-free, chocolatey delight. In summary, these 5 smoothies, the Green Goddess, Berry Bliss, Creamy Peanut Butter Banana, Tropical Paradise, and Chocolate Almond, offer a delicious and nutritious start to your day. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients that can boost your energy levels, support your immune system, and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. So, why not switch up your morning routine tomorrow? Choose one of these smoothies and give your body the nourishment it needs to thrive. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.